If you want to remove the Gmail account from a laptop, this quick guide will show you the safest and easiest way to do it. This is helpful if you're switching accounts, cleaning up saved logins, or just want to remove an old email from your browser. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you to Gmail on your laptop. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox right away. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens a menu with your signed in Google accounts. From that menu, click Sign Out of all accounts. This is an important step because it takes you to the account selection page where you can manage saved Gmail accounts on that laptop. Once the sign out process is complete, you should see the Google account selection screen. On that page, click Remove an account. This option lets you delete a saved account from the browser so it no longer appears in the list when you try to sign in again. After you click that, you'll see all the remembered Gmail accounts connected to the device. Now find the Gmail account you want to remove and click the Remove icon next to it. Be careful here and make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you have more than one saved. This step only removes the account from the laptop's saved sign-in list. It does not delete the actual Gmail account from Google. After that, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Click Yes, Remove to confirm your choice. Once you do that, the account will be removed from the laptop, and it won't show up on that sign-in screen anymore. And that's it. You've now removed a Gmail account from your laptop in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.